To apply for a Wealthfront portfolio, start by visiting the Wealthfront website and clicking on the Get Started button. This will initiate the account creation process, where you will be asked to provide basic personal and financial information, such as your name, address, and employment status. Next, you will need to answer a series of questions designed to assess your investment goals and risk tolerance. These questions will help Wealthfront determine the optimal portfolio allocation for your individual needs. Be honest and accurate when answering these questions, as they will have a direct impact on the investment strategy that is recommended for you. Once you have completed the questionnaire, you will be presented with a recommended portfolio allocation, which will include a mix of low-cost index funds and other investment vehicles. This allocation will be based on your individual risk tolerance and investment goals, and will be designed to maximize returns while minimizing risk. After reviewing your recommended portfolio allocation, you will need to fund your account by linking a bank account or transferring funds from an existing investment account. You can fund your account with as little as $500. And you can set up automatic transfers to add funds to your account on a regular basis. Wealthfront also offers a range of additional features and services, including tax loss harvesting, financial planning, and investment management. These services are designed to help you optimize your investment strategy and achieve your long-term financial goals. To get the most out of your Wealthfront portfolio, it is essential to regularly review and update your account information, including your investment goals and risk tolerance. This will help ensure that your portfolio remains aligned with your changing needs and goals, and that you are on track to achieve long-term financial success. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and services offered by Wealthfront, you can create a diversified and optimized investment portfolio that is tailored to your individual needs and goals. With its low costs, sophisticated investment strategies, and personalized service, Wealthfront is an excellent choice for anyone looking to take control of their investments and achieve long-term financial success.